Most developers think Git only has 2 places for your code. It actually has 3. Git organizes your work into 3 distinct areas. The working directory is where you edit your files. The repository permanently stores your commit history. And in between sits the staging area, that intermediate checkpoint between editing and permanently recording your work. Changes you make don't go straight into a commit. You first move them into the staging area. You move changes into the staging area using git add. Running it on a file tells Git to include those changes in the next commit. Once staged, you can review what's queued up. Git status shows which files are staged, and git diff with the staged flag shows exact line changes. This lets you catch mistakes before they're committed. The real power is selective staging. Imagine you've edited 3 files, but only 2 belong in this commit. Just git add those 2 and leave the third for later. Git also calls the staging area the index internally. You'll see that term in documentation. When you run git commit, only what's in the staging area gets saved. The staging area is Git's middle layer. Git add to stage, git status to review, then commit only what matters. Follow for more Git essentials. Want to nail questions like this in your next interview? Interview Mentor gives you hands-on practice with real questions. Every answer gets a grade with specific, personalized feedback. Track your progress across topics and difficulty levels.